How to fix Bluetooth cutting in Motorola Edge 70. First of all, restart device. Swipe down, open quick setting panel, click on power off icon and click on restart. After click on restart, restart your device. Now go back. After that, clear Bluetooth app data. Open setting. Now in settings, scroll down, click on apps. Now here you will see app. Click on three dots more option. Click on show system app and search Bluetooth app. Now click on Bluetooth. Scroll down, click on storage at cache. Now click on clear storage. After click on clear storage, all app data will be clear from your phone. Now go back. After that, software update. Open setting. Scroll down, click on system update. Click on check for updates and click on update. After click on update, your phone software will be updated from your phone. This is how you can fix Bluetooth cutting in Motorola Edge 70. I hope so you like this video and thanks for watching this video.